Have you noticed the explosion of stunning Ghibli-style artwork dominating Instagram and TikTok? Today, I'm unveiling a professional yet beginner-friendly approach to creating your own mesmerizing Ghibli-inspired masterpiece just for free. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, this tutorial will equip you with the skills to make your artwork go viral. Let's get started. Today, we will use platforms Grok AI and Retouch application. First, I'm going to show you with Grok AI. Open Grok AI. Now click on this. Now click on Select Files and select your image, which one you want to convert in Ghibli art. Now give the prompt to create Ghibli image. Convert this image into Ghibli arts. Now click on this. In just a few seconds, you will get your image here. Now click on Image and click on 3 dots. Click on Save. If you don't like the image quality, don't worry. We have another tool which will give super quality images in Ghibli arts. I have already told you about this tool. Now let me tell you how to use this tool. You will get this tool on my Telegram channel. I will give Telegram link in video description. You can download this app from Telegram. Now open this. Now select Anime. Just scroll down and select Anime Me. Now select your image, which one you want to convert in Ghibli arts. Now adjust the ratio. After this, click on Generate. This will create the image in very short time and give it to you. Here you can see it's create 4 images in one time. Now download the image, which one you like the most. If you want enhance the image quality, click on HD. After this, click on Save. And that's it. Finally, we create Ghibli art image. If you found this tutorial helpful, so please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.